welcome, and today we are going to talk about condiment quantity. When would you use this? Let's say, for instance, that you have a situation where you have somebody calling in for perhaps a either takeout or a catered menu item, so you had to order multiple at one time. In our example, we're going to look at two things. The first thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at a customer that calls in for 10 lattes. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll start a table like I've already done here. We'll head into non-alcoholic beverages, and then we see that our latte button is here, but we want to order 10 of them. So we do 10 first, and then we hit the latte button. Now you can see it's put 10 lattes on the screen, and it's asking us if we want it hot or iced. So if I want 10 iced, notice that I have to hit this modifier 10 times until it gets to where I want it to be. Now that's kind of a pain, and it's going to print up something ridiculously long at the coffee bar or in the kitchen or wherever. So there's got to be a better way to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at how we can do this a better way. Okay, once we're in, we'll go to Sales, and then here we want to look up our menu item that is latte. So click on Menu Items, and then we'll do a search for latte. If you don't know how to search, or if this looks very unfamiliar to you, check out our earlier videos. It will show you exactly where we're at, what we're doing, and how to follow along with us. So let's look for latte. There it is. Now we know this is the active one because it is showing up on the NA-Bev screen, the SLU. Menu item class is 201. Menu level is 100. The only ones that we'll be dealing with today, or the only one, is this menu item class. So we can see that it's 201, NA-Bev single price. We're going to take a quick shortcut with the folder, and that's going to take us directly into menu item classes. Now notice again that we need to find which class it is, and if we've forgotten, we can simply click back over to menu items and see that it's number 201, and then find 201 in our navigation area here. After that, where we're headed is to our general options, and we're going to go over to here to other parameters. Underneath this list, you'll see something called match condiment quantity. If this is checked, we have to enter as many choices for our condiment as there were main menu items. So in our case, we had 10 lattes. We had to enter the same condiment 10 times. If we uncheck this and save it, when we go back to our menu item in the operations, you'll see that we only have to do it once. So we'll give this a minute to update, and then we'll head back in and pick up a table. And just to test this out, we're going to go back to NA-Bevs. And once again, we've got our latte right there. The first thing that we want to do is do 10. And then go to latte. And it's asking us if we want them hot or iced. And it's got 10 lattes on the menu on our check so far. And we want them all iced. And that's all there is to it. Just by checking or unchecking that one little box takes care of consolidating all of that information. Okay, hope this was helpful. Talk to you next time.